In this video, we're going to be looking at tuples. All right. Now, what are tuples or a tuple? It is similar to a list. Okay, similar to a list, except that you are not allowed to modify the contents of the tuple. Okay, not allowed to modify the contents of the tuple. All right, and but you are allowed to do other things like you are allowed to merge tuples together to create a new one and so on. Okay, so there are some similarities, except you cannot change the contents of the tuple. All right, so let me give you a simple example. So if I say tuple 1 equals to, all right, 1 2 7, all right, and tuple 2 equals to 9 5. Okay, so if I were to print tuple 1 and print tuple 2, okay, so everything is similar to that of a list. All right, but I can create a new tuple 3 as well and say tuple 1 plus tuple 2. All right, and let me go ahead and print tuple 3. Okay, so it supports again similar functionalities to list. I can also multiply, for example, tuple 2 times 2. So that means 2 times of tuple 2 will be added to tuple 1 before it is assigned to tuple 3. Okay, now the only thing is you are not allowed to modify the contents. Okay, so for example, if I say tuple 3, all right, 1 equals to 25, for example, okay, it will flag off as an error that tuple object does not support item assignment. Okay, you're not allowed to change the values of the tuple once they have been created. All right, so this is not allowed. All right, so this is basically the main difference, all right, between tuple and list. All right, so again, all these videos are just to give you a quick introduction. All right, the more in-depth analysis on what kind of scenario we will use these different sort of elements of list, tuple, dictionary, and so on, we will explore more in subsequent videos. Alright, so thank you for watching. I will see you in my next video. Bye.